Hi guys. Did you see the bunny?
Yes.
Oh, so.
That was more like a puka.
Did you guys see the bunnies?
I did.
Yeah.
Wait.
That was so cute, eh? Okay.
See,
Bye. I'm coming. Hi, Easter Bunny. Have a happy Easter.
Happy Easter.
Happy Easter, Hans. How are you?
Yeah, I gotta zoom in on you.
Huh?
Zoom in on you. Okay, I got you. Happy Easter. I think there's some, yeah. Yeah. Oh, I love your ears. Ho, ho, ho! Here he comes! Happy Easter, everybody!
Happy Easter!
Have a good one. Oh, now there's a nice bunny. Oh. A bunny all filled with hot air.
Yeah. Oh, are
Very
you guys
cute.
so excited? Yeah. Is it hard to not step on them?
What did you name them?
Bye, guys.
Bye, guys.
Bye.